You want to go bye-bye? You want to go bye-bye? You want to go bye-bye? Sit. Good boy. Stay. High five. High five. All right. Sit. Good boy. Give me your paw. All right. Now, get Mommy your leash. Get the leash and give it to Mommy. Get the leash. Hey, get the leash. Give me the leash. Good boy. Give it to Mommy. Get the leash. Good boy. Let me see. Good boy. Let me see. Give me a leash. Give me a leash. Give me a leash. Good boy. You're all excited. All right. Sit. Roscoe. Sit. 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 Good boy. Now, where do you want to go? Do you want to go to Walmart? Or do you want to go to Kmart? Do you want to go to the bank? Do you want to go to the dollar store? Or do you want to go to Wawa? Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Don't you want to go? I know you want to go. Come on.